Hi, today we will make the star of the Easter dinner, a slow roasted leg of lamb. For this recipe we use olive oil, salt, fresh rosemary, thyme, ground pepper, garlic, a deboned lamb leg from New Zealand, bay leaves and lemon. We start by trimming the meat. We trim all the fat, but if you like it, you can leave it on. We make the marinade. We grind up some garlic, we add olive oil, some thyme, ground pepper, we squeeze some lemon juice. The exact amounts are in the description below. And we add the fresh rosemary. We give it a good mix. And last we add some coarse salt. We cover the meat with olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil if you can. We sprinkle salt on all sides and we cover the meat with the marinade. We then put it in a bag and we add the rest of the marinade along with the rosemary and bay leaves. We close the bag and we leave it to rest in the fridge overnight. 12 hours if possible. Our meat is ready, so we take it out of the bag and we add it in the ceramic tray, which has a cover to contain the liquids. Ceramic pots are one of the best to use in the oven for cooking meat and vegetables. The food simply has a better taste. We add the juices too that are in the bag. We add some white wine. On top we add some duck fat. And we will cook it low and slow at 95 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 10 hours. It depends on the size of the meat. If we cook it this way, it will melt like butter. When the meat is almost ready, we start by peeling some carrots, potatoes and white onions. We dice them up in big chunks. And we add them to the tray. We continue to cook them for roughly 1 hour. This is the final result. A meat which melts in your mouth. This beautiful piece of mutton from New Zealand was simply amazing. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you liked our video, then subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you next time.